na ko bra as a party chairman then fa party no mo ko party ni nim se Timi strong kabaya ka support ba umi wa na ko bra as a party chairman then fa party no mo ko party ni nim se wo na wo gia wo betimi akora party no ai me da se pa honorable me da se wa jatum
ka se mo se wo de wasem edi kan e wasem di bra enne nkyere se wo no wadi bem temi yepa watumi de wasem akokot first no enne nkyere se wo na wo ye obi a wadi bem dabi yanto ba se na yemra na obi a meboni yesi obi a meboni nkuro sa na omo kan nkuro ase odi wasem koma ahemfo na omo se kofre omo bra na obi a meboni nkuro na yenyina yentie etie wi ada end no na yakese nipa we ene di fo nipa we ene di bem entie na de entokwa na afunu jafo to the point say na de o se yento aba man because we be a company bi a omo de plastic bottles na say what any SSW ukodoma boys ni bi wo ho omo kita poultry farms be say 4 5 akese Temiye pa I se ukodoma area ho a they were boys young guys 37 years 40 years omo jiro mo na so omo ye young guys ebirum kita afuo poultry farm ankasa 3 4 5 akese pa enti omo de sa de nko me ye de bai omo sa no nka adwuma ben na wo se ye mfa ma omo wo man ganam bra afei ena yewura Canada hu se antrotrasem ne akeka nyansa nim ene ntiatiamu na me wo sika wa hu se dabi because nsam na ba omi ahya ase a otoba no papa ni gina ho ala ni timu hyehye no because ono anim say by the end of the election no obetem ankese waboka ene da bia mba mbeka kirewo so ono ankasa besu e de akire wiase amansan nyina se waboka fon e yo no anepe oti asema asomobo no beka aye o se ona boe wo ye kese ye ton wa ye bebreo ba bia ane na maduru no de waye ne wo mam no kwan ya wafa ho ase wo ho no ya nkese wanya adwuma mfa man pipio we know say you were working for one people until the sell ho sa but we ase no obia di ne lemu enti se watimi abo ho modene ase wo ho se de wase wo ho aba beduru ya continue na ye chama te say shedu nkatia no mo na mo twa amanfo kon no yesa because shedu nkatia onti mama ye presidential candidate one DC muda I swear to my God fatu team enti also dana ho shedu nkatia of the MPP okoba bia grassroots no di wachi tri because they believe in you na fa support to party na party grounds no and stand the papa na ba bia ukwa akogina no untumi ntwa wani ma form ho ma ne nyeye o untumi ntwa wani ma form ho ma ne nyeye so think about it papa enkwada no omko free SHS no say omo the benefit of the doubt teriye pa young guys na omko free SHS no almost say they are giving honorable Kennedy Agyapong the benefit of the doubt to say bia no nyante ase yi ba bia also nkojira into almost they adwene ho they have given you time omo ama wo bro they adwene ko wanimu kakra na hwe say chairman of the party no ene fatao announce the presidency ene fatao no mo se kai ba bia wo firi ba omo se kai ba bia wo firi ba na enye plastic bottle company na ukobi ani ntia mo obedi Ghana man show because enra ba omi aka kire wo se papa ye ma obedi Ghana man show a enye wo bottom sika na ode be ye o man ni ye o eye entobo a Ghana fo beto e na obeji bi e de aye development na no kura no anso betuma aye development na na ye effective no ade se wo certificate wo so ne nam hoyi wo ye obi a wo certificate ompe enti ubaye den na watumi atranse atoto niema with pen and paper enye se ukoye implementation for company for nipa 7,000 company we no fa nipa 3.2 billion. No, 3.5 million. Company no yam fan say let's assume without no admitting. So the yam fagan and say one of your companies. Workers no, omoye 3.5 million. Into wa ompe certificate sem, wa also ompe suku sem, wa also ompe buku sem papa. Obeye den na watimi adrone prana ebetumi cover all the people yabobo omondo to ese omoye 3.5 million population. And this fish company no hona enipa 20 na ba adwuma omo nyina omo ko deep freezer ma akoye adwuma no 32 million no ebi be ko school. Hey papa we dey enade me dey ba yo hawo ho ebinom ombe ko school tie dey pa and this banch factory na esi wanchi na tashima ho na adan enkura me fanko no 32 million no ebinom be ko school eye wase de ebinom ebe ko hospital eye wase de ebinom be ko nursing training eye wase ebinom be ko teacher training eye wase de ebinom be ko university eye wase de ebinom yankokurafo asabi omo nya adwuma mama onya so mfaso omo yare ombeko hospital eye wo wase de Euradi Jacopo ye Euradi. Enti am fam ye na me be company na me 7,000 workers. After all workers no uni omo so mfaso. Workers no enye wo no mo ye adwuma ma. Workers no mo ye adwuma no. Bosome besoro the production omo de ba o company ni value no ayesen. Now say ye ni musu no ban. Answer be mo bi 600 Ghana cedi na che so no say nipa no monthly no ni product na person you contribute to the growth of your company no na ko be say 4,000 and yes our money 600 Ghana cedi but o mine chichire no enkrofo na okohwe omo no omo nya adwuma ma o omo nya adwuma ma omo nya omo so mfaso o omo mama ye samasa o ebirum be di watema ka ho uso na okoko eshi uso na obo okasa by heart when I see for loose mouth amanfo be di watem amanfo be twabo na wunyanye president kura se na amanfo esi twabo na one day bi oba se wona oye president se be si twabo nti wo ye twabo wo betuma tena fie nie umpi abontre nkofa soja fo nko amanfo fie nkoche omomoro he be say Agyapong as a president no will be worse than John Delegates Dramani Mahama. He will be worse than John Delegates. Because Delegates anya hwe no or a little bit of this school style anya hwe no na sa papa na ye kan asem no oh no or you street guy rough mama no mso akna you like video na share mama sa papa na ye kan asem no ono ye street guy o onya daje afei and no be yen to ye mfa say we know no ono no oba no nya wa oba me ya chwatum ye bebo ye be sake wa dwumam no akwan be ye more than a detector now dey me ba mama share video na memra mama hwe video we babna na boka them try where is come cook try just for information do
okay. That's unfortunate.
What the power we are sent here watching again? Not what
Oh no. Don't care about it.
This party.
Don't care about it.
Almost one man of my name Lydia.
Don't care about it.
Mr. Woman and Kanswa, and the dark.
Don't care about
it. Ya shi sika na de papa obehye ne pa So why adwene say wo de wo di sika na nante wo di sika na wo pe bibia wo dwe say Ghana fo nyina na MPP fo nyina eye nipa bi no ma omo wo di sika ma omo nwene da bia nte sakura ene yewra ba omi asan kan gum ko campaign no biem na ene de ewra di Agyapong se ba 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 omi ase de ba o se amanfo se ne yire onye Ghana ni wo de ba me fan chiamati fo wo de oba na wa like na wa share video na ma me ne yekoya nim miwa Evans ankama me mo akwa ye pa Sami Jasi me mo akwa ba miwa kwasi asamo amechao Evans Jaben an miwa mechao pa me ma me afro papa bi mechao pa ma me Diana mechao pa e mo akwa ba soronko miwa kwakubo ate mechao nso Kofi Frank mechao me ma me Diana bi mechao nso ye pa ye nto aso ne yenkoya ni abujete me ye pa this time around MPP from point for now who said that be ye nyai emma Sami Jasi be mo akwa papa ye nyai emma sabio Kennedy Agyapong use the name of I'm contesting to be a flag bearer to destroy the party amanfo bi di omomoja omowe de omobre achechire amana nyina duru babia waduru no etina the MPP mpanyimfo na ankasa na hyase ba abonten one by one a omo nso ahyase omo kasa temi yepa because babia nsem na kwa koduru no nke ya ye me se can believe say sika bia wanya ntino I was a part in nyane de now I'm coming to let you listen to one video of Kennedy Agyapong ye we are na matwisoko Dr. Bawumia camp nsema efiri ho aeba we dey take Kennedy Agyapong the video way now they fa asem toto asem ho ti asem papa we ye Kennedy bi say enti de wo ye nyina no we enti a wo ye de wo ye nyina ana se wa hyeda na wo ye de wo ye wo de tie Mami British me mo akwa ba ye pa wo de tie asem papa yi kana wa
What's the one? What would you make in Japan? Sika 4 million cedis. Sir, you call a one stadium and cran. Now, you did Minisika 4 million. Brand Champ on some teaser, which are 2 million. And and you are 500. The car be in our board. Over the conference.
Yene ye pa we young people ni ba. We obi also person medi party na nim. Ye national conference. Leadership of the party also ye one of them no. Mumfa si camera na yen sponsor what we are going to do. Unim de wom. Papa wo ye ogina hoyi. Oni kwawu Aeromax omo mfa sika na mena na yenkoye project no omo transe 2 days to the event and omo disika no koye na timi biem on say enra se wo na wo ha enra wo te say ewura Dr. Bawumia kan say ono nko sponsor 7 million Ghana cedis for that event. But you see how he commented. He commented as a party ba. New Evans, utemi yepa. Dr. Bawumia kasa odi 7 million maga MPP no. One can say omo bejimis omo na ne hwan. Now you know what? Asem we Kennedy Agyapong kan hoyi. Ayet said there ono no ye outsider of the party. Mami British utemi yepa. Akwan Kennedy faso kasa no. Nka eye mama ateme ho ase se ono ankasa gina ho no onim se oye outsider onye member of the party because on timi nka se omo te soro ho no ba gi misika se omo de koye ye omo kwa akra omo koye hwan because eye annual delegates or one national one conference enti MPP ni ba bi owo post bia wo party no mu bia no okosa event nase na enam se Kennedy Agyapong only And I'm say papa way only sabio message or the bemanning crofo no I and a doctor bawumia eke kan sama kese ama amanfo na nia jigo street num no asema owoka edition crofo de nti omonkoto aba man ne say ye call National Annual Congress ema ne kutua sika na enkrofo bi omo so na beji ne sika na one thing where politics ye kuo enipa bia so I mean Evans asempa na mekan he is acting like onka kuo no enipa bia se wura kuo ma na wo ye nipa bia odon nipa na enye nipa na wo pe wo mfa so adi a uti kuo no 2 years ana 3 years e wo se wo ntumi nya nipa binum wo soro ho a omoye wo nkrofo especially obi ti se wo a wo se wo na wo sponsor the party no e wo se nka nkrofo na so omo te soro ho no e wo se nka anya hwe percentage bi de e wo de because according to you are the supreme sponsor of the party. And one question is, one, you are you want to say the union people yem fair on to chain. Second question is, nanti wo pa ampa wo sponsor party, I want our party for grassroots no one and why. Eba saying that the leadership of the party today, apart from you, uni obi a was roho. Eya sensebe. It's not temiye pa. Obi also no sponsor party no. Una wo ye the caretaker in terms of financial. Una wo sponsor party no. The question that me I'm asking you as an ignorant in MPP party no. Maybe so say. Na nkasabi obi o sponsor party there. E wo se nka nkrofo na wo so omo party na pampam ho no. I was saying bebre nya unipa because wo na wo diskaye den sponsor wo which that was said enkrofo na omo so no mo nimusu ene wo ban say wo say nya bibi na wo pa firi obi ho a o ma ne taku enti boys na sha ase a omo develop omo ho omo pesika de aye omo ne ma no you did not care about them because you were not getting any benefit from them. Bajo temi yepa boys na se nyankopon abo omo anyini ekọ omo anim omo anya dibrebi e wo party nom no wono upon all the money that you had no you were not able to bring anyone close to you so be develop no obe build no amananya mpempenso bi e wo party nom na mom no you gathered yourself around with enkrofo bi no ma ese chocho macho man for na jikakra to bottom one ma waye samasa enkrata nimfo no more party num no you were not able to compete or to go with them because you know say they will not allow you to do samasa on them. And the ochusu yen say you went out there for the refresh and no more ding or party num and on your monam and on your monam and then abeto ne and the first of all se nkrofo no mo apampamu ho no obi bia ni ho ye wo boy a so obi bia ni ho ye wo boy ne miya panyin Kennedy Agyapong for two who for say party num no he did not actually develop any human capital in the party. Temiye pa how say na no that one say Dr. Bawumia ba ya on chere here. Well, say the new generation or more party num young guys, no, Dr. Gideon Samia Wukunum Kwame Ofeni say upon Krumanum Miracle Sabuajinom, well the new faces, no, Nana B nom nessa new faces, no, Moabano, Ofeni day, young can say chairman de Unisika dada. Say young guys no Moaba, a fen or Mura politicism mo abeng ewonim diemuno. Also, Munina or more line or more with Dr. Bawumia. Actually, I would say Doctor is somebody who doesn't only take advantage, who does not take advantage of people, but he help people to grow. And in tian crofona omotisro say they will consider omono. Omo support na omo ni wachino. Hey, Kennedy the nam hoyi. MPs ni bebre dinachi because they don't want him to take them on. But it could do say wakoto abana. There you will see what will happen to you. Yanto asudenti papa video no.
Say dear kasa oh Canadian.
Ni ma me stake ba ni ma me wakwa papa.
Upi a 4 million cities. But yet party for baba. Enokura no eboye. Na no a ye call obi a ko faale a ye call. Enipa nu e ko faale ba ko de any party no e carry e mo bi ehuri ntiene na no ti o mo frɛ Alex Market e bi sɛ sika fa kutia na me tɛ ma ba ko pɛ a eni wuo eni na fam to call me obi antini afrɛ me ko kwasiara
anti papa we oyam pipini anase ofiri he omo frɛ no me pe bari ma ba ko. Now I say, in the structure of the party itself, no. Ay, Stephen ni ma kumi mi apanyini, bra apanyini. Betun tumi nchireme de menye mane ye o. Yantobase me ba. I'm coming to talk about Dr. Bawumi yantobase but man nchireme de menye because minim so ye ken in the Agyapong company. Oba ha ya mejo awa too. Me nyina yetna ha. But me ana ma hye me program na me de aba, you know. So man kasa abra unsem na o candidate ne kan kire so onyam MPP ni e kire so onyam MPP ni mo nipa na mudi na chi no ode yawo na oyo de oyo no mo nipa na mudi na chi no ode yawo Canada Japan de yawo na oyo de oyo no na bra panyi ti Stephen ni ma ko say I don't understand why you cannot understand say papa we ode yawo ene ya de we because party mrana chese afibia ye ko national event etisa na wababi na ye nyina ye kwa why should you have to come out and say na mitua sika na what is the meaning of that identity awoton ukuo e de ama abonten so fuo nipa sa ye nto ado
ko ye nyame ye wie ya befiri ho ni Monday ana party panyin friends ya wa moya ayedio NDC fo sika utua sika umumpia ya wo party make a typical meeting say Canadian Agyapong here mo man nyeska obeye twa from 2021 ever the block will be bia until August 2024 me no ka be minisika akem send this over so mumpia Nintimi enko bisa omumpia fan omumpia because wa party go empia
ya me mama Elizabeth achame makwa performance de okaye o say from 2017 to 2021 onya contract ahodo bebre grassroots do say na papa we ma omodwuma yeye mommra na momeka Mr. Nimako ebia na wo fase bia wo Ghana papa yi ma na adwuma ye ya be ka kire me but 2001 na covid aba na abai ni sika so be ma project no akwa we so nte ase Mr. Nimako mudi ni pachi o 2021 na sika ni Ghana maimu abai ho kire no yen ni sika yen tumi finance project no papa wesi enipa binom na ekotena ase edan mu ye meeting say enipa we emaye man na adwuma man enye how come how far papa ene papa yosu nensa da ne yam otwadwa osu kotokoto adentia o se ne sika aka abaimu na say NDC fo na aba ebia no mo ntua ama no Omo ntua na ontumi nka hwe. Now the question that I want to ask and say, Papa, aban the oka, it is said that what to treasure bear. Say you reality say a jumana ye ma won ye de ma wono. Uye ne kwan so pepepe. Abra one ye den one inflated the cost of the job. Now we are jumana sacrosanct. Come. Yes, I did be anya the saban bedoka. And fear be a sankura pona was buying MP of Sycamore. So why are you now crying? Now, from what I said, the entire papa way on Namo ye campaigner and this Yamanyo Kodi Ghana ye a form and Tomago Bola. Ah, yes, say Ghana, my papa in can rain for home. Osuro, Nisika kwa kodia buying mu. Why your contract to be a union pianaka, and he cannot criticize the NDC government and now no can say or the Ghana I the bottom the upper and or the year. Pachomunti mi yepa. Papa we see ne ono no John Mahama sem on kabi. Mahama pa on shigana mine on kabi. Adenti o say ono no abind the neka. Na on we no ko defend it. Party no so person mra media ni mu na ebe wie no Mahama ntwa ni sika ma no enti sa na tie dia okoye adwuma dia man DC se obeton no ankasa ni kuo no emu nsem eni ho ye tua wam ye ma me 800 million sem step down andi MPP for area Ghana mind se de ochena bi ni ho se de be ya andi si abanya ye friend John Mahama benya sympathy Ediama papa we. No one said before election, Papa we sanko jina TV so epa Mahama Chow. He knows what he was doing. Listen to the video well.
Party and Pia. Inti Enyanum Party no and Quachu. Na Modo Fiche Kakrano. Mummy any party in Sio. Mummy any party in Sio. Send the pay. Sabre wasa wada dia betena yi emre du se wo pedi ama wo ba esi ko piesika
abuja wo temi ye pa enti de ekono no kene Agyapong say we nti o se nkoto aba man because ni sika the contract sika hey papa we pa ready yakopo bi sani mako mudi ni pa chi o Papa na sori agiram gidi kutia ne party adentia o se ono no sabio na aban ampia ne sika bia na ye wo se ye mfa ma ne ntino Ghana fo MPP fo ento abama no na ontuminya kwanya enkoje ne sika emfira aban mu na na ye bi so se na papa esi ye to abane ma wo na ubedi party na anima and to bet me, I forget about to Sikano. Now I can de woho at the actually. Our friend then, John Mahama na. And soon just saw Koyasem. Namunti, another story be a name and Suntia. He would Kennedy say, or deserve to be the leader of the party. Tie the year party, the video where ye panemo the tie.
Plastic bottles, see. My name's on show video, no more. Plastic bottles we Indian company be papa ni si wanya 90 years wabre oko enti menyanku bi na se me miyanko hwe se metwa na me dim ene ekoy na ekoy no be duo na me hwe plant ni inside Ghana for etiti ho na mo ye adwuma na I was so impressed. And under normal circumstances, can make me aye feasibility studies, research, investigation, by 3 months and some mechanical. But I'm sure send your Ghana for no at ho a year duma. Because here woman no sa bottle way and your certificate. Ghana for Enco school. Machine here, no more so packy. Yam time for Jamaica Jones for certificate in your town. Me sure ya papa and I'm saying matro matriaka. Which are $3,250,000. $3,250,000, you know, and for workers. Ghana for year 345. And India for maintaining machines and also a year 15. Now, my case yourself, so make come on, bring up a division. Maybe my fan for talk assassin or cantonments. Who talk assassin or cantonments and 1 acre. And $3 million. Who talk now the two? How many workers now created? How many workers are now created? Maybe the $3,250,000. I created employment for 345 Ghanaians. Now, Obi didn't be a quarter assassin. No, Asaba, assassin way media, assassin way media. As Abra Greenish, as some Sabet, as some Sabet. The biggest challenge I war ever Ghana is unemployment. The man
Ona wuke ne Agyapong. De bia na me say kamenya ka ko party chairman. Say nya me kwa na manya sa ambition no. Ninu akito ba ko so aka bia ka ho. Adwuma na wo ye ni nyina wo ye ma party. Ne wo ye ya wo ho abaye ahi e wo Ghana ha no wo ye ma party. Ndide na wasanka wo ye no say wo beko as a party chairman. Nka ye cool chop. Anka waje party na bobo ne opo bia obetimi dia ye na mom se wo beka se wo ko as a flag bearer die wanabo ye ton wa ye be bre papa go videos ni nyina eguntentan no so before say yan woro santentan no so nyina nwie ansa na ya ba fam no na 2032 kura twam di wanabo mesro se menya party a nka press as a party chairman ye nyina e beta wachi eno de kutwop me am giti se obetumi aye no de obetumi aye amma ye nyina ya ye ho atoye as a party man no ye nim se wo kuma grassroots but won se bob na otutu ye no won abo anokre asedi no nti amase ye kase hura ye bebre timi strong kabaya ka support ba o me won na ko obra as a party chairman then for party no mo ko party ni nim se wo na wo gia obetumi akora party no ai me da se pa honorable me da se wa jatum
anti de ohoro no ai Mr. Nimako we de ochiame a onim ka so se nana we de want e de abusu asem na ye kan very serious pese wakwa akogina enipa doma nim se opese omra medi won anim emfa won kokon kase bi ekon no wo opponent any NDC for adwuma ben na wo pese nkokon na woni nkunim na wonye ene se wo kwaji Ghana man no na wahweso na watoto nema amana koyie kokasa ma yenti a wo se waye investment nti no ye ma mra meye leader of the party mimi a oskani kwajo kwa achi mo akwaba ima me Monica wo so mo akwaba yie pa temi yo Osi waye den akwa akoto plastic bottles company but bia ye plastic bottles and for so far as watimi ato sa plastic bottles no as a businessman edi sika na abrawo ama wanye sika dodo no nti no ye nyina no so na ye mfa nkoto aba emfa mawo na o medi Ghana so me yanum delegate for mo pe yesamasa ana se mo pe nipa obeso mo nsa mamu ayo yie ewa abrabom mami akuanya akome mo akwa papa me wianum delegate fo muntie me yio papa na asem na oka ye no papa na asem na oka ye no na me ye ho analysis wabie plastic company, what top plastic company, dear free Indian man who are or no pequanya koni kroma or turn a buofo. Anybody who sika biano, obia wa ye juma so pension or say koni krom dear. When you sika he don't care about the company no more. Now what when you say opportunity no? Now what you investment? This sika bra ma when you ho. Usi Ghana for entwa bama ma umedi omonim adentia what to company enricho. Na unim de ya. Unim de ya. Nsam na oken de ya ne say. Instead of him saying ko obesisa Ghana for atreni omo. Ama omunim de. Na nko mo nso omo anya ginabre papa wo adwuma num no. Wanye sa o. Ghana for no eye nkrofo na otwi omo ka 600 Ghana cedi ene 700 Ghana cedi ene omo kum omo ho omo na omo hua plastic na ne pompan na e de cancer maw no ene India for no o treat one with hand grows. So what temi ye pa sempa na me ka chiro no one say wakwakoto company no why are there but won ferry say wo ka kire Ghana for say there be also that say na really am for the youth of the country. Foreigners are taking over our country. Now say foreigners are taking over our country no you intend and say you are not the person who is the owner of all gross distribution stores. That is what you're talking about. Because in Kenya, can you not get that audacity to tell Ghanaians say India for hormone or more engineers and mechanical every video no so. Adentia one thing care about how you can develop Ghanaians to take over the company and show and give examples. Say yes, really, I want Ghanaians to be Ghanaians on their land. That is the difference between this man and whom we call Dr. Bawumia. Bawumia will make you become somebody. He will give you the enable environment for you to develop your skills, your knowledge, talent, and yankupon the amount. Yewura Dr. Bawumia de atwede besi ho ma waforoso ahu wiem Kennedy de yes amasa na di ni timo oyewu ne ntino trase wa ase ho a da bia hu se me ba wasori to America ba be shiame. I am a yes sir massa. That is what we call I'm the leader. MPP for mo mi masumu pa na mo take it on this. Nsam no bi wo hana papa ne ka moma yemfa nkwa adwurim na yendwendwere ho nkwa akiri na yento yebo ono ane ka ye o say we don't have to consume informations eti enipa ne bi wo hana o mo ka se Kennedy ana o mo ho ya mesiro me I can sit down for 1 hour metumi aka sentences e Kennedy Japan sentences nkwa. Because me, I know the man more than many of the guys. No Kennedy, no vote. No. I can sit down and talk and see Kennedy Japan expressions. Religion is impeding the development in Ghana. And Sembebre, Kennedy and Sembebre negumi team. Because me, I've been following Kennedy at the aspect of a businessman. I have been fighting for Kennedy Japan even when people NDC people were telling him that he should go and die surgery ne one and why he didn't attempt work Ahmed Swale. We have been fighting on this media for a very long time. But a leadership of a party FNMPP no and about businessmen. It's not about who has money. Jennifer do me more kwaba. It has never and it will never be about who has money. And it will never and never be yes amasa. Semi muska me de me ho me buy was so unkoto me. I here for the more mobile kasakura moon to min kasa. Any kwanse yesika for ye kasa mon kama non tum na ye nimoso. That be this is what we call the colonial time. We are living in a world of exchanging of ideologies, exchanging of ideas, exchanging of competence to build and create something for the world. It's not me catch them say mon catch the papa we say Oman Ghana and MPP anim die no enye company samo. It is different. E bi be yare ye be hia hospitals, ye be hia doctors, ye be hia engineers. Nti wo san be catch them say enye kratch sem na enye book sem a masa wo ye mistake kese. At this point, I will choose Yaw Adutrim over you because Yaw Adutrim, the policy they say he want to use education only to transform Ghana. That makes a lot of sense. So they mean fight me about me ankasa me camp kakrakano. Baby a boma na me ho pesemeno. We they mean fair non to ho. Now kese me among the other 5 aspirant. Yaw Adutrim because at least he has idea eye sustainable. Enye mo amoba na mo promise na me kosi hotel ya si nso mfimfini na wa. Who told you who does that? Which government, which president, which leader of a state invest in that manner? Enye monarchy, we are not in a monarchy state. We are in a democratic what them call country. And moreover, the party that you want to represent is a capitalism. We make people become rich. Yema abai ana omai ena ye enye sika. Individuals no ena yema won enya won who say tam. No mo kreti nyuma ama the common Ghanaians na nya biaye. Enti papa party chairman na ompa odi akwaji Minister of Trade and Industry. Na implement your so-called ideas, no. I miss you too. Na implement your ideas about creating of job, no. Go and implement them at the Minister of Trade and Industry. But be ayede kwasi no do wachi sticker. But be ayede sticker ko share ya. Up to now. Omebade ba ko ho ase deputy minister oyeye onye bi na waka pasori nkwasi abrofo na oka brofo anyansa nim brofo a any dictionary na yewo the dictionary of sticker kan kwasi asem bi kika bom say ye brofo na osa bra MPP amanyoko na nemudie no it is a lot to It means a lot and it involves a lot. Enti nyeste kanoma sanane jamana nye jamasemo e hore nya tupabu o e hore nye old school style of hip hop na amanfo ni masane na ekwa akose o ana yese bawumia ni masa bawumia he cannot move according to the beat yese rhythm no eninimu what the Westro, yeah, already I go for Kennedy Japan and Crofo. My yama say, Mahama Fanny Huadi. Mahama Fanny Huadi. Yes, there be Baumia Onimasa. Baumia Osa, or ne read them no emfa. I read them no kose. Because that man is so much, hear them call intellectual. The intellectual guys, no. Omoni adaje omo kwatena ba bia kobu omo pan miye pa kemi mo akwaba omoni adaje a omo kwatena ba bia kogina dance ase abu omo pan they are studios you can italy for see so studios omo sua woma they are always busy thinking finding solutions oni adaje enye koto beton omo no omo nya man kwakoto ade afiri ha edi abaha ba beton me de begu mi stom na me hwere price bo ho a ma dwendwena sen dabi they are problem solvers. They are originally born as leaders and they have what it takes, what it needs to come out with a solution to solve problems permanently. Enti ono oni adaje afi na okobu nipa. Ono no oni adaje afi na okọ hwe the most drug addicted girl in the crop. Oni adaje. Pacho temi yepa. So that is how we are going. Enti campaign we na ye no. We want to make a clean campaign. Among for winning dear no more nyansa, no more ideas. Our person family or party no na intimate stand to the country. Enye company factory asem na ye kana because state companies kana maimu enye juma. It has never worked and it can never work for us because of type of people that the society that we live, we are. Now, maybe I'm a kind of the same way from Nema Bisa say, Senkagana man ye country bia state factory, it me maintaining a home. A man faso baswa. Any eba ne sen na even state factories ya ton dia ma sofofo a omodia ya sori dan eba ne sen ena companies ahodo a abrofu free Ghana omode hye Kwame Nkrumah nsa eba ne sen ye ntimi manage a na me no kasai Ghana man apart from hotels eno kurampo no. There are individuals be on shares. Yes, and Katitia Pro. Where are the rest of the companies that were created in the country? It makes you cry, say, a country called Ghana cannot be a country, Ebenya state-owned factories, a manner function. And the ideology of let me come and I will create job for you, no. It is automatically nonsensical. It is what? Automatically nonsensical because you cannot do that. Are you deceiving? Are you deceiving? Are you complete deceiving? Are you complete deceiving message? And I hear on the amamo. James Bond. Mwakwa bapa Mama Diana ayasibo asema make no abusie enya otana military obi o. We want to remain relevant today, tomorrow and next tomorrow. Enya sanka me ameti hai wa ohwe me Facebook so ojine se me eneme so na me kese Kennedy for 2028 ya. Me platform na wo Facebook no me kita about 91,000 followers. Many of them are Kennedy Japan supporters. About 80%. And to say ye be a fame ka Kennedy pepe. Na enyo mind no don na ye hwehwe a enka no an se matwere Kennedy 2028. Nka asa enka me platform a etete nka expand it. Because as at now people call me and ask me, I didn't tell you campaign Kennedy Japan. But we know what we want. We are people with ethics. We know the value of our party. Some of us, we saw some people who were leading the party and then the party very attractive to us. Let me tell you something. In 1992, Makura Akituabi. Yetu abawi no na yewura adubu ahe wanya about 94% of all the vote casted in my village. Me mokuro no dine na manfa akotre teme maame no ene mabusu amfo yete hwana Lawrence asuma soldier form of mo abakuro no. Me that time I was about 12 years me dwane ko hye ewuram na me firi krom come me ekwa kodi holidays. Because some of us, and yourself in the MPP before, we have been looking at the MPP since a long time, and the values of the party. and we know say Adubuahe no nye sikani je Kufuor no de ne ho but no nye sikani wamfa ne sika metwa ye mpoada yewura Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ye wo no to sikam Akufo-Addo de oye daddy boy yo nye abam we ne mani nya ne sika ono sa ne ye wo no to sikam and osan so de nadwene ye adwuma nya sika wo a wonim MTM nipa ode ba Ghana ye fe na Akufo-Addo Motorola Akufo-Addo na what is Akufo-Addo tiba bi ka so wo sika da ka wo se ne papa nom independence na ho na ho they manage everything nti omono sa no ye wo mo to sikam ba wo mi ara ne na mo no onye hia ni o but enam se owo ethics owo a kind of lineage ewo ni mu enam the sources of her family where he comes from the bottom of his raising, you know, he value everybody whether you have money or you don't have money, either you are sick or you are not sick, either you are Dagate, Mamprusi, Kusase, Kagomba, whoever you are, he respects you because of the ethics that the person was born with and in the place where he was grown. Training na onyan when nenkura brim. And this any pasano. Or you'll be a man of Quenya no be do anima. Open kabum, open ye yo, open ahoto at the mass society. And your moi, Sabi, you were more to send me, no more that I was friendly then. And Tomaso of form, Naya Yahu, now Fena Yebe Yahu guy, some the Achem Crofo Munisca. Who born dog? You scan your hole, and I will put my name. I put my for, a prime for, a scaffold, or me a scaffold pa. What tell me, a scaffold, a Timisha fork, no, the name crum. But who here may be now I just shoot Papa be a cansway and a no, the name I didn't hear, and one or he want to prove himself to be somebody, and yes, on himself, you're empty. That is what is it about. The election that is ahead of us, you know, we must remember the ethics, the quality, the integrity of the party to choose someone who should lead the party. And yes, idea. Nene na yayira. Nene na sabio Ajumadra Adubuahe je kufonom ye under the military regime no yayira no. Ya mo monse sifom da achibe omuhia yen e wo wie mu ho mbetwa ye to aka chef na e ba ne sen. Why did you reduce our broad to this level of arrogance? Enom baby say yento aso na yenko yanim na yenka jangum kakra na busia papa amanfo bi no makasa na yebebo mu nyina mu video amamo tie yentie fomena ampi papa na tie papa na oko as an independent candidate a Canada Agyapong ene kopa na chew emane samba MPP mu no ono su di Dr. Bawomiachi bisa won sa dentia tin video no
Yewura Bawumia and Kukuya Odiye, the way we have ridiculed him, the way we have maligned him, and somehow Rayaka Afano and Kofobebly so silent, but I'm telling you, they are all sympathetic towards him. Ghana for a mob for a mob. And Sanko for no any one more. Yes, through one more year, do who fell. And no, a be and then Dr. Baumia may present in Amamui. MPP are this year. Memen Kasabebre, I don't talk. Who's a beginner. But what Nase? Now, why would the Niema offer a junior? NPP is better off. I repeat, NPP is better off presenting someone who is so sympathetic to Ghanaians. Eti mesramo moma yemoa ye ka bibia msam amanfo ya ti bebre nimdiem bibiem papai ewobi but me de me ka kire mo ne se wono ni obi a Ghana for fi se samme wabre ya sopa no enu nti esi ehye monyam momoa ni empaja papai na Ghana for ehye monyam na nam so Ghana nyina be fa yin tuma paifura onyankopon ohira mo nyina
Abusiatemi yo papa wei ebeye independent candidate yo wene for mena seat no. By the information a yewura Kennedy Agyapong ankasa ne soa de ba abonten emaye TV. Yewura Kennedy Agyapong ono ene kosre papa we se omra no mra meka MPP ko no ho. Enye sa omo ho beye mobo e wo parliament ho. Papa yi e kire wo se oye manyoni a wa ko e wa manyo se mu ache. Se Kennedy Agyapong timi ne kokasa ye e ma ne te ase samba MPP mu e wo parliament a e kire wo se oni Kennedy Agyapong omo ye namfufo abuza fo mo fan cheme omo ye namfufo omo ni mo ho omo do mo ho ye pa eti mi bisa se di ntia papa wei asori ababe ka kire wo se ono no ye wura ba wo mi achi na odi temi ye pa me ma me Vivian kuma me mo akwaba me ma me da na pia se piao pa kese my eyes was filled with tears after watching this video. You will. Abusa mun temi ye pa say papa we etumi ehwe Kennedy Agyapong anim na o ka kire ne say minim say wona wo san me ede me ba party num ma party san be ye me akono. But brother, yeah, kasa about leadership, who to lead the party, who should supposed to be the potential president of the republic in 2029. Kennedy, me niwachi, me the doctor ba wo me achi. Mo fanche me busianfo. E kira wo say papa no ahu quality a e wo ye wura doctor ba wo me animu. Enti enye namfosem mimi akofi welso me mo akwaba enye namfosem ani wiasem ena mede kochu so obi a oba bedi anim eba bedi Ghana man so ochena bi enti u delegate na yesi ebinumu di sika me ma me ya afrempo anu akwaba David Achempo me chia oyepa enti nkrofo na omo na omo se amamfo edi sika MPP fo wi sika enti yempa momo no. Do they want to tell you, say, let them come and steal also? Na se maka kofa kromfo akomode no. Edna ba be tu kromfo wedi dia media. Ene na me koya na me bai. Ene nka meso me kromfo wedi dia me mu. Anya hwe obenya masi bi ana mesi on me. Se kan masio, se kan mesio. I think so you understand me. Me yakwajo kwa achim say I've pronounced the word well. Me teacher ni kase pa. You understand what I'm saying? Abusiamo to the can ask you. Nana ya me mo akwa papa. Se meyi kromfo a wadi dia me afri na dwaso. Because ebinom se ya manfo binom ba omianom omo adi dia me omo abokro no na che omo wia Ghana. Me ma me debro che me mo akwa ba. Enti yempa ma omo mfiri wona yanom yemra. Abusia. Me consciously thinking with my mind and being very rational. Me prefer say kromfo wadi dima na fu ahye chu no. Me prefer say onu mom na beba wura me fie so ba be wia me. More than say kromfo a na fu etare na chi. ono no sa no onya wonam your raw meat kro onya obewe mana ye because come de no enti delegates ni MPP for mama ye make a good choice on February on January coming and you make sure say we are going to maintain the ethics of our party, the integrity of our party, and the integrity of the person that we will point our fingers and say Sanipa Way is the leader of our party. It is very important. Now, I can't man for Ntiasie. Dr. Bawumia, the implementation promises or the back campaign 2028, 2024, and the NDC people are trying to copy it, but they cannot cope with it because they don't have the knowledge. And at your form, I never have say, Mummy Bompire and the Ebanu Muidru. But you tell me, pa, NDC for they want to copy Dr. Bawumia promises. But they can't because adrena or some fantire chiri. Now masa adreno and successful in our society. No, you have to have an expansive knowledge about the implementations. And yes, we are encoded. And into your money and good board or no one and quasiasem need Jimmy Cronon and some fasuni son quasiachi. I ne Ghana around the whole Ghana from western north of Ghana and copy north of Ghana and Tokawa Bia, even up to Mankrasu, Kumase, Asante region, and then Yakuma Assembly Mile. Insecurity. When Dr. Bawumia was the chairman of the police service, when the MPP was in power, now Dr. Bawumia, the head of the police in the country, not only IGP. He was the manner, not only IGP, Dampare. Now when you say MPP for, they were really devastated. Say, offended day, Dampare, a betray on one. You don't believe? Because Dampare was somebody, no, you're very close to Dr. Bawumia and Nanado because the security of the country was paramount. Anything across the country to Dr. Bawumia and Nanado Danko Kufuado. So the defense minister, the police IGP, and all the rest of the armed forces or more minor, they were close to Nanado power because they were always breathing. They were always trying to find solutions. They was always. I didn't tell Dr. Bawumia made video cameras everywhere. But then, Hunkrasifo we are to obey your mobile. Look at what they are doing. Sampa, ye kuma man for your sham, enra, ni makon, oh, Kennedy Agyapong, a kakitua bin komo born to or Sampa. A kakitua be a show to my God. And yes, I send me a come out, send me who me do, Dabi, me hon yame de. Kennedy or so on trace. Kennedy or so on trace. Not at the 1st January. Yam ko to abani we no hune level. Henti I will never praise say papa no anka asema ya to no sampa ntia ya me da me yes na me nipa bone. I'm not that type of person. Say me bompa ye say me nipa bi ngu dabi. But I'm just giving you an example because of insecurity. Na anu at Kennedy Agyapong ko German South e ho no ko ye nra e ho no ko ye. Odwane free ho 300 Ghana no demand delegates no ashe when timini omo anye meeting na wie he has to run odwane ko drobo adentia ye jai ni papa o wa adwempa a oni mamu ato ena ye di nkwasiafo binum achi nkwasia promises ena ne Ghana man no adane abutu ena ne alatafo afa o man na fa Anyway, I can see any na ye nipa yi John Darigansu na mu na okajagum na a tribe when a tribe so dey see any. What sense is in this? We have lost a lot of time. Tempo. Yeah, really tempo, papa. ama me Diana ya hwere tempo pa adentia papa bi say ya money contract ya mfa asase bi amano contract bi ohwe yesi ya mfa amano ya mfa contract e woga na nyina amano nti sa na te da okoye campaign de ti ono ankasa ni party amoso da honsi da bi he's coming for the youth abanya waba all employ na all science to develop the youth in the country. What is the difference between developing the human capital in the country and creating jobs? What is the difference? The only difference is developing the human capital no makes people CEO of their own. Omo be ye adwuma gura no omo be nya omo ho ye adwuma ma omo ho omo nya nimde met creating kwase adwuma for the people omo nimu nyi omo nim atwere omo nim akenkan obi kwa adwuma na machine twa ne nsa na wawu. That is what we call being slaves in our own country. Kan yesi entiase ye kwasisa India fo aba mo bibie nkwase company even protection at the job site kura ye ni so e de kunkum nipa kwa wapira wawu ya mo 100 million akawa no tum. Is that what we want? No, we don't deserve that. We deserve something more better. We deserve a society, the majority of the people, no, are conscious enough to identify the good and the bad. Any society is made up of illiterature and kwasi adwuma bi a abetobia na omugusu na omoye. Do you think say nka Ghana fo nyina Ghana for well educated nka Ghana mse nka omobeye? When we talk about developing human capital, no, bra, it changes even the atmosphere in the society. It even changes and some dialogue wa nkoma ye di no society no by developing human capital no emma nsem nkoma kora nipa di kora no e society no esesa eba be excellent beda bi ye the certificate ye dan ye be bi enyu mo nya bi aye mafia Ghana mafia habeda yara we kubio tebiye pa. Ghana is not safe under John Dariga Mahama and the NDC. Mia Parky Eneka. I was saying to me, we are living in a society. And ya fain na ye be kritin kwase adwuma bi anipa nim de onye na okojina na oye adwuma o. I was saying you melded them people to become somebody by themselves and their own. That is when the society will change and we will become better people in the society. Let me ask you one question. What you say? DNT Ghana for didi we no kita plastic ya. Na watu atwena bonten. Enipa bi onam Ghana onu munsu ototwene bi anadwene musu a onsu a woma nko akiri. He don't know even the climate change situation in the world. But senka mamfo na kosuku dodo a enka they will start thinking say no plastic we kura me to ho ebe ye den ebe hye wiase ebe kwa kogu pum enwe na omo pum ombe we plastic no ye be kwa koyi won ye de ombe ba fia ba be no amamadi amamaje yade no. People will start even conducting themselves as they can say civilized people by themselves. And this is how I will to change society. No, I'm a nipa and what no. Sa idea no be na doctor ba mi adenam enye me be juma ama wakoshishe onsane wanim because idea kura onti ase yesi koye upesika. Sika na idea bibia. Yanto asune nko yani na I'm diverting the topic because I want things to be more better. Enti abusiamfo amamfo na mekese doctor ba omia na yire enye Ghana ni. Enti ni kwanse yeto abama Dr. Bawumia. Doctor say enkwase asem. Hey papa we pa sasa na oti. Hey. Okayo. I say don't look at me smiling and being calm. If you do that, you may not understand me. Enti nkrofo na omo si Dr. Bawumia yire. Onye Ghana ni no. Doctor say man kan kire mu pefe say munni mu de mo ka mo ye moa. muni munyansa muntie na
Brother, obosi mi yire onye Ghana ni papa. What you waiting at? Ya ni ba ya woni wa Ghana, ya woni papa wa Ghana, ya woni mama wa Ghana, ya woni nana wa Ghana. Ninyi na obosi onye Ghana ni papa. Excellence omundi argument you. Yes sir. That me country omunyi na say omuntie ni. Omundi kwa concern here be man me data no ebe crash omunyi na. Omundi ba me data ebe kire say enye no correct. Enti every na ko concern ni na entertain mo tempa yenyi. Forever, obosi mi yire onye Ghana ni papa. What you waiting at? Ya ni ba ya woni wa Ghana, ya woni papa wa Ghana, ya woni mama wa Ghana, ya woni nana wa Ghana. Ninyi na obosi onye Ghana ni papa. Excellence omundi argument you. Yes sir. That me country omunyi na say omuntie ni. Omundi kwa concern here be man me data no ebe crash omunyi na. Omundi ba me data ebe kire say enye no correct. Enti every na ko concern ni na entertain mo tempa yenyi. Me di adwemfo frobe so eba in Ghana. Me pese me movie a budgeting framework no from the current framework no to a constituency based budgeting framework. So constituency biya be hu no hu ewo budget no mo, so that the management of the budget will come at the constituency level. So yeba contracts are mubo hu say we contract eba Bosumi Freho anase Bosumchi anase Odotobri anase we. So you manage it from there. So constituency based budgeting no a bit pejamunyina a bema constituencies no ahoden na itimidi aye ejuma aboaye nyina. Maybe adwemfo probably so eba in Ghana. Me pese me movie a budgeting framework no from the current framework no to a constituency based budgeting framework. So constituency biya be hu no hu ewo budget no mo, so that the management of the budget will come at the constituency level. So yeba contracts are mubo hu say we contract eba Bosumi Freho anase Bosumchi anase Odotobri anase we. So you manage it from there. So constituency based budgeting no a bit pejamunyina a bema constituencies no ahoden na itimidi aye ejuma aboaye nyina. Who dey for forever? Who dey for forever? Obosi mi yire onye Ghana ni papa.
Enti abusanfo yenti asema yewura ba omia eka na wo hai. Na say enye say bi onipa ni binom na omunim de omonka in this campaign. What does it dey nti oso nkese ba omia na yere onye Ghana ni. Yewura kwa men kroma na yere fire. Na yere fire. Donald Trump na yere fire fa. Assuming we are not admitting. Say samina nye Ghana ni kura. I don't know, does that, I don't know, a year behind free me table so fiana. It doesn't. When you actually, when the people don't have messages, they only go out with unnecessary speech, unnecessary talks. The nyansan him, the emfan koso mrane menewo, the emfan sisanyebi mraya brabom, and an omodenam, amodi omu campaign. Ena papa na ba bontan be ka kire mo no se sa asem na amo ka na yentro because no yiri Samira, my beautiful Rebecca and my beautiful Samira ye wo nyina ye wo no ha ne papa ye wo no Ghana ne maame ye wo no eno no nso ya wo no Ghana man mu ha enti so no onye Ghana ni a ene kire me Ghana ni papa bi o Ghana Semoni ewu. Papa no sin kon kase o. But also no nani ate. Onimunyansa. Enti oba na oka na asem na kwanya ofa so ka no. Emani wura nipa ne timu ntem. Na baba ya topic of the day. Enti ene ye yi mu ano e wo sa side ho. Yenko yanim na yenti Dr. Bawumia again.
Say yebe wini 2028 election. Ehia.
Mimia Yaps community me mo akwa bapa. What to say? But
it is very important say your party follow political consistency in getting to 2028. Ushe Ghana said nipa bebre aka dada no Ghanaians voters no omu reward political consistency. President Kufuor baye to 1996 Obenya 39%. But MPP yesandi ni baye na okodi nkunim. Mills baye onya 43% 2000. NDC sandi ni baye 2004 okonya 44%. Na omusandi ni baye 2008 ena okowini ye. Na Akufo-Addo baye 2208 wenya 2012 wenya yesandi ni baye 2016 ena obenya ye. John Mahama 2016 wenya yesandi ni by 2020 wenya yesandi ni by 2024 and osa be presidency say senti the idea eye wanwa no uhwe Ghana ye voting abakosema ubehu say since 1992 president bia or hand over power ama obi a onino akọ contest da uhwe Rawlings obe handi power ema President Kufuor omuko contest 1996 and yes sir President Kufuor be hand over power or the mahwan at Mills omuko contest and yes sir 2000 early 2004 Mills we are not the Mahama but Mahama obe handing over power or the mahwan Akufo-Addo ono Akufo-Addo na equal contest Akufo-Addo ebe hand over power or the why Mahama omuko contest 2029 Mahama obe hand over power ama why it is very simple enti obe hand over power you follow that trajectory no the Bema Dr. Bawumia but yes say a candidate dia ade no besesa ebesesa enti mayen kosa no because yen gina hosa with Dr. Bawumia because new candidate ba said e omo kan first time candidate ebe din kakra amaye first time candidate say obeba na me as Dr. Bawumia constituency bia ni ha krobia ni ha wa Ghana ha obebo mi din ena omo kan say omunim Dr. Bawumia enyesa. There's no town or village in Ghana ubebo mi din omobeka say omunim Dr. Bawumia. But in fact, some of our aspirants, some of the regions omunkoda, just to step foot in a region omunkoda. Some of the many of the constituencies omunkoda. Say na ebe makati omo ebe yedi. Enti yenjina ho na yemfa Dr. Bawumia embra ade ameye me vote mamia meka obi abom. I'll bring unity to the party. Ena yabako akodi nkunim. Me are formidable, me are prepared, and I am winnable. Nyamisha monyina medamo ase.
Enti yewra Bawumia the message or the ma sabio I think formena for I don't know. Also no I formidable. According to the history of the country's presidency, there has never been one person what me at once one way amana ye. They come, they contest, they remain, they lose, they come again, and they win. Because I was say we didn't want Ghana for team answer ya to Obama. And a papa we no onye obi a yakoto Obama no just because of say ni din aka nipa timo. papa no wo resource so a odi be yeden e betumi e de develop a country called Ghana amana yeye o kasa na o kan sembi o say obeye Ghana president o person fa de bi mra ade ne say ye budget ya Miriam Evans Jaben, yeah, I think I've already greeted you. You're welcome, brother. How are you doing? And also you're doing great. Yes, yeah, I've already greeted you before. Also say yeah, budget now. Budget no, you be any constituency by constituency. As it's any saying, as it's saying na tia. As empetia. In na say constituency biya aban no ebe allocate sika yede beko constituency ho say yede koye developmental project ewo ho na side developmental project no yen confirm free Dubai na yede aba ho yen confirm free Accra na yede aba ho yen fam free Kumasi na yede aba ho na mom no we will what first of all sources yebema constituency for nankasa opportunity say omumom no mbenwe the contractor ya dedicated to develop that area enti se ba be sisuku dan a contractor no ye be fa no constituency ho a muntie nyansasem na papa ne ka no enti no it is different from me be bie nyuma ma mo ayi monya bi aye da bi me di nyuma eba ama mo anya ba bi ahyehye be mamonya resources so mbetumi aye adwuma wura nom die besi school dan e wo sabio for mena constituency a budget no ye de bema the DCE na one the MP omo manage na tie me yie pa kura wa ankasa ofiri so ba bia yetwa o tech yetwa o ye bema yetwa o koteto ye o ye oba ba bia yetwa wa furuma. When we say what the agency so be develop ukro. And by doing so, no, automatically, a even challenge among the DC and MPs, you know, who has been why not to me the budget na the buy and what to me the aye nepa e woni krom. We num na ye hwehwe idea adwen enya mahama. I'm going to create a new capital city. Tio, ebinom dwendwene di solutions ahodo akakra keba no. Me ekwaku kire me chia oyepa. Na ebinom so create more problems. Yenko create another congested city. Instead of Sebianka, yebesisi the government institutions na across the country na enkoye one place ya ho na niam nyina wo no nkrofo they are going to build another city a omo betwe niam e wakra ni nyina asande akoho na wo mo dama obeya de we etiba omi ade oya ade a ode ne kodwa so ayeto ode ne kwa mansan dwa so ayeto owonim de adwene ne da ho bere bi opebia problem bi ebesi bia no so ne ya no de ho solution abrel say we and the solution to hold. What the Yesua ebefa. What the Yesua ebefa. And this out to Krum. Near Babesi Suku dying. Near Babesi STEM education be ho. Now the sources of found no. Ye the Beba district ho. Now we are carpenter new district ho. Ebeye den a Juma bow. But obi say obekriti tourism attraction tema Cape Coast. What is sampa? What should I call you Cape tourism attraction or Cape Coast na ye? This is a drink here. You say it cashier area dre now tin chenya. When we are no mana ye waju say mre enyemro eyenim de no e na no ten anything man yema eye easy than never. Yanto asune enko yanim biem na yemfa ensemungu ho andi MPP ni papa bi nso abeka asem bi yenko ne nkonkotie yenko ne nkonkotie Tese mpemfo na mo party nya dia offer Dr. Bawumia tie. Kene Agyapong campaign no atonsuom yankwe.
Resourceful persons that believe in your ideology who will fund it. And so it's not for the politician to raise his personal money. That has always been the case. That is why it's so difficult to make the argument that the rich should lead. It's so difficult to make that argument. It is not about who is rich in terms of money to lead. It is about who has the capacity to provide the ideas to solve the problems that face the people. Okay, and so yes, politics is expensive, but it is not for the politician to use this money. It is for the, and that's why I keep on hammering the need, one, for education, and to push for strong economic policies that will lift up this country. Because when you have the people in a good economy who have the means, they will provide you with the money for you to pursue your political ambition.
One of the issues that I've
Sawate ose enye se aban ye pa aban bi oso owo sika because e wo ba na obedi oman na anima enye wa ankasa wo sika na wo de be ye oman na yie o da bi sika na wo ho na mom ne ye pe obi owo nimde no wo nyansa na obetumi create situations a ebe stimulate the entrepreneurship yen kan se honhoma ewo nkrofo no emu. That is what we want. And you'll be a usika because usika no Ghana my 32 million people won't mean fantopano bako and mobia and money ye. And it is about ideas. It is about ideologies. It is about plans. Any kwanya befaswa ebe to me solve problems are ewo Ghana mamu. Yenti Vincent Echo semfua whatever. Yenti no so there.
Change resources what have you. Omu na omede bebo. But baby yejina no. We cannot disgrace the party. We cannot turn the party's image and integrity upside down that represented a candidate in 2024. We ourselves are saying we don't believe in that candidate. No. We have to represent the candidate.
Okay.
And that is the only way we will tell the people of Ghana, say, as it happened in 1996, it was because the MPP believed that he was our best bet.
Okay.
We did not lose the election because it was Kufuor's fault for us to lose the 1996 election. When we presented Nana Akufo-Addo in 2008 and we lost the election, we did not change him on the altar that the problem was Akufo-Addo. No.
Okay. We
accepted the responsibility as a party, represented him in 2012.
Okay.
It did not work. The party also took on again the responsibility. Say, we took him again in 2016. Why is it that Bawumia people want to say that we win elections? That cannot be possible. We can't check that.
Abusia for me church munyina ma munyina kwa abaso nko de mobile rights media so abusia Vincent Ekaya actually prefer say Dr. Bawumia ayobi ya turn that mani padoma huno. So we don't need to go and bring in somebody else to come and what. And now that we are going to watch the person say the area kito we ketia some area you can. Listen to what this small boy is saying. Listen.
Ana wukeni Agyapong. De bia na me say kamenya ka ko party chairman. Say nyame kwa na manya sa ambition no. Ninu akito ba ko so akabi aka ho. Adwuma na wo ye ni nyina wo ye ma party. Ne wo ye ya wo ho abaye ahi e wo Ghana ha no wo ye ma party. Ndide na wasanka wo ye no say wo beko as a party chairman. Nka ye kucho. Nka waje party na bobo. Ne opo bia wo betimi dia ye. Na mom say wo beka say wo ko as a flag bearer there. Wanabo ye ton wa ye be bre papa. Go videos ni nyina eguntentan no so. Before say yan woro sa antentan no so nyina wie ansa na ya ba fam no na 2032 kura twam. Ndi wanabo mesro se menya party a nka brass as party chairman yen nyina e beta wachi eno de kutwop me a me gidi se obetumi aye no de obetumi aye ama yen nyina ya ye ho atoye as a party man no yenim se wo kuma grassroots but won se bob na otutu ye no won abo anokre asedi no nti amase ye kase uhura ye bebre timi strong kabaya ka support ba omi won na ko obra as a party chairman then fa party no mo ko party yenim se wo na wo gia obetumi akura party no ai me da se pa honorable me da se wa jatum
Sawate, I nkura nyina ahu style say the siko. Papa say on tiasie. Sapon kwesi say MPP should learn from how NDC chooses their leader. Can Agyapong should step down for Dr. Bawumia. Mima mi Vivian Kuma wa sersa. Mimi abaya nanaya also kumana no boom. I dollar man, you're welcome. Or say Kennedy Agyapong madness is just too much. Pa kesu guso sere. Eyasem enti de akono busian for na ndra. Yewu Bawumia ama yehu so Ghana ni oyam pipi ni baso ampa. Oyam pipi ni bampa. Ti asemo kaye. E fan simfuna jo mahama edi na Ghana.
Na yehu niema ekoso. Ye lose power. MDC say omo the power no huna harassment, abuse. And Chebia ye chairman wuntumi ekotum. Yakoche chairman abronye akutum. Ye chia TikTokers, ye chia bloggers, ye chia appointees. Echere said ye hiani MPP ye kabum. So that 2028 ye beko akoje power no.
Yes, and the doctor one kwangu jinaba bi amfan yesre say ya chia abronye. But he stood in the name of the party and defend MPP supporters here. Yewura John Darega Dramani Mahama edini to me edi also. Me ekwajo say but it is true he should go for the chairmanship and commit me handle on a year now down to say don't ketiano no mo na no mu ye say no mo ye who ye very mabra. Yes. That one would have really fit him. People would have adore him very well. In any case, Abusia, yena mede nsem we ne besi hanom. Now the answer na bekon yenti video.
Babna, ya boka. Tell chua where she come kutua. Just for information. Utoa.
Okay. That's unfortunate.
What do we do? What the power we are sent here working? Again, not waiting. Not waiting. For the
Oh no. Don't tell us.
This party. Almost one man. My name Lydia. Miss Woman and Kanswa, and
Mami mo akwa ye pa.